Green Organic Love, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me to water the garden today. So let's talk about watering and how it's more than just watering your flowers and your food for your garden. It's more than that. Why do I say that? Why do I say that watering is more than just watering? There's a sense of peace that seems to come with drenching everything down with water. There's a sense of natural well-being of giving the plants water, something they need for survival. Oops. There's all kinds of new stuff coming along out here. It takes me about an hour. I know a lot of you want to know how much water should I give, and how often should I water, and when should I water. I'm usually up early watering, so when I water it's cool, early morning. And I usually do this, soak everything down about 2 or 3 times in a 7-day week period. So that's about right. I guess there's no true gauge that I know of, but my trees get a lot of water because they're producing right now. They are getting lots and lots of water. The roses are looking so beautiful these days after I come back. So yeah, I stay out here about an hour, just watering everything. Giving everything a fresh drink. Praying. Sometimes picking weeds. Checking to make sure everything is okay. This gives me an opportunity to look at, I want to say everybody, but my plants gives me the opportunity to check on them. Make sure they're all healthy or not healthy. My hose is tangled. Okay, there we go. Oh no. So let's peek under here. My little greens. Be in the green nursery, my collards. See if that works. Alright, I'm stuck, y'all. Anyway. Okay. There we go. You get the gist of it. So we are just watering. The ball is not supposed to be in my area. So I'm not going to make this a very long video. This has to do with watering, making sure everybody is completely soaked 2 or 3 times a day, or a week, 2 or 3 times a week, and giving the opportunity to plan and to love on your plant babies. So, thank you guys for walking with me. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that red button. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to like and comment on the videos, you guys. They need love. They need love. And share the video. There might be somebody who needs to hear something I'm saying. So don't forget to share. And if you're growing or thinking about growing and you're a newbie gardener, take your time. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to other channels. Everybody's different. Everybody's growing style is different. It's not right, it's not wrong, it's just different. And so, by the time you start growing, you'll have your own growing style. Find out what your zone is. I am in zone California 9B. So knowing your zone is very, 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 very important. It will give you the opportunity to know what to grow in your area and when to grow it. The last thing that I want to tell you to do is to grow with love, everybody. Have an amazing day. And we'll see you on the next video.